Researchers developed a new treatment for obesity. It involves a vibrating, indigestible pill that can help people eat less by making them feel full quickly. When we eat, our stomach signals to the brain to let us know when we're full. The pill, which is called Vibes, uses vibrations to mimic this feeling of fullness, fooling our brains into thinking we've eaten enough. To use the pill, you take it on an empty stomach about 20 to 30 minutes before a meal. After you swallow it, the pill dissolves in your stomach, releasing vibrations lasting around 38.3 minutes. It then passes through your digestive system in a few days. The Vibes pill hasn't been tested on humans yet. However, in animal studies, activating the pill 20 minutes before feeding resulted in a 40% decrease in food intake. The pill could be beneficial for conditions like constant food cravings, known as polyphagia, and Prader-Willi syndrome. The pill's location in the stomach cannot be controlled and may shift while eating. However, no animals experienced any side effects or blockages in their digestive systems, and the pill still worked well no matter where it ended up in the stomach. The researchers are exploring ways to prolong the pill's stay in the stomach and enable wireless control for on-demand activation. The new, innovative approach could revolutionize weight management strategies, particularly for those who struggle with traditional diet and exercise regimes. Further research and human trials are needed to understand its long-term effects and efficacy.
What happens to your body when you're under anesthesia? Some types of anesthesia do not block your body from sensing pain. Instead, they make you forget that you experienced it. For example, general anesthesia typically induces a state of unconsciousness. While under general anesthesia, patients do not feel pain because they are not conscious to perceive it. However, this does not mean the body does not respond to pain stimuli at a physiological level. Drugs used in general anesthesia interfere with the transmission of nerve signals in the brain and nervous system. By disrupting the processes that enable neurons to communicate effectively, anesthetics prevent the brain from processing pain signals and forming new memories. Some anesthetic drugs have amnesic properties, meaning they can impair your ability to form new memories while under their influence. Therefore, even if the body registers pain at a subconscious level, the patient may not remember it after the anesthesia wears off. Local anesthesia, on the other hand, works by numbing a specific area of the body, thereby blocking pain signals from reaching the brain. Patients remain fully conscious and can remember the procedure, but they do not feel pain in the area that is anesthetized. Some sedatives, often used in minor procedures or alongside local anesthesia, can also have amnesic effects. Patients might be awake or in a light sleep state, but may have little to no memory of the procedure afterward due to the amnesic properties of these sedatives. If you're suffering from an allergy, then you might need an allergy shot. Allergy shots, also known as allergen immunotherapy, involve injecting small amounts of allergens into the body. When you have an allergy, your immune system mistakenly identifies harmless substances like pollen, dust mites, and pet dander, or certain foods as a threat and releases chemicals in response. These chemicals cause a runny nose, sneezing, watery eyes, and itching. In some cases, more severe symptoms like coughing, wheezing, swelling of the throat and tongue can occur, and in extreme cases, anaphylaxis. Allergy shots work similarly to vaccines. The goal is to gradually modify the body's immune response to allergens, which ultimately reduces the intensity and frequency of allergic reactions over time. The treatment consists of two phases. During the build-up phase, injections with gradually increasing amounts of allergens are administered 1 to 2 times per week over a period of 3 to 6 months. This helps the body develop immunity or tolerance to the allergens without causing a severe allergic reaction. Once an effective dose is reached, the maintenance phase begins. The frequency of injections is reduced to 2 to 4 weeks. The specific interval is determined based on individual allergen sensitivity and response to the buildup phase. Allergy shots offer a long-term solution for individuals with allergic rhinitis, asthma, conjunctivitis, or insect allergies.